My name is Ruth Poland, and I work at Mount Desert Island High School in Maine. And I'm really excited about this workshop because I'm excited about working with students around real data that they can collect themselves and visualizing that data so that it's meaningful, and also connecting it to current events like health and water issues in their state. So I think it's a great way to be able to take classroom data and make it relevant to their lives. Hopefully they'll take the data and get excited about the information they're pulling out of it, or the conclusions that they're pulling out of their results, and then communicate it to the public so that they can enact real change in their communities and improve the health of their communities. So I was involved in a project earlier, a pilot project on arsenic in well water, and we found that there's a large amount of arsenic in many of our wells. It's very difficult to tell which well might have arsenic. Two neighbors can have very different quantities of arsenic in their water, and we've also seen that arsenic can have major health impacts at very low levels, even below the EPA recommended level. So we're hoping to communicate that more fully to the community and do that through students, and to build awareness, and then to actually get people to test their water more frequently, to mitigate the water if they need to, and to also help students communicate solutions for this health problem that's very relevant to Maine and New Hampshire. When I did this project with students before, I had a smallish group of students that was they were not necessarily the science lovers, but what we did with them was test different water pitchers for a variety of different contaminants, including arsenic. And doing those tests made them really excited about being scientists. It kind of tapped into that childhood curiosity that every student has inside of them, and they became much more aware of the health impacts of something that they didn't even know the name of before. And now they know that there are things in their water that they might not be aware of, that are odorless, colorless, tasteless, that can impact their health. And so I'm sure that some of them went home and had conversations with their families, and I'm hoping that we can expand that impact to more classrooms and more students with this next round of data collection.